Hala to?
Basura.
Ito kami sa bundok. Umaakyat. Ay, grabe, tataas. Saan ba? Dito?
Kulang pa pala yung taas na.
Ah, ay doon. Kala ko doon na yung sa kabila.
Kulang pa pala.
Ayan. Ito si Burgess.
Pinakit natin. Meron pa.
Oo.
Ito pa yung pangalan.
Naku.
Ate, madulas pa.
Oo nga. Talaga bang ganito ang hagdan?
Parang ang ganda ng
Ito pa ate, may hawakan.
Ayan. Dito. Uy, ganda naman ang mga halaman nyo, Burgess. Ayan.
Welcome to Banawe. Hello po.
Hello po.
Hello.
Good afternoon na po.
Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Salamat po. Ay, gaganda ng halaman nyo. Oh. Oo nga, oh.
Which means our house in the village.
Ah, house in the village.
Bale, dito na lang po tayo.
Ah.
Bale, which means our house, and then Boble, the village. So, you will be experiencing the bale, the traditional house, tapos yung village. Of course, tayo Filipino, alam na natin yung typical Filipino village. So, pag sabi ko, in the village, many homes have dogs. So, you always hear them barking in the night or in the day. Tapos, roosters crowing in the morning, typical Filipino village. Tapos, yung bale naman, atong nakikita nyo po are the Ifugao native house design cottages. So, these were homes of our ancestors who built the terraces. So, you trek the terraces, you come home to experience to stay in a traditional one designed from the old traditional house, Ifugao native house. Yun ang bale.
Bale,
Ay, oo.
boble.
Tapos, dito tayo sa typical Filipino village. We're in the middle of a typical Filipino village. Tapos, we're atop a hill and beside the forest. So, aside from dogs and roosters crowing in the morning, paggabi, meron kayo maririnig na mountain sounds like crickets chirping, okay, maybe an owl, pero don't be scared. Part of the mountain life, our mountain terrain. Pero hindi naman, okay lang. So, different kinds of sounds.
Basta wala mo mababang wolf dito, o ano?
Wala po tayong wolf. Wala po tayong wolf.
Maraming special snakes dito.
So, siguro, before I like to register, just a minute to orient you about the bale.
Sige po.
Oo, ito, para at least when you go to your cottage, medyo na kayo.
Okay, sige po.
Oriented. So,
I-video ko kayo, ha?
Sige po.